peanut butter and banana ice cream. You can make this within moments and you don't need a churner, you just need a food processor. I'm going to transform this ice cream into a sundae, and this is one of those desserts that you can put together so quickly and everyone is going to like it. It's very nostalgic. So I like to start with some frozen banana pieces. I always have this on standby in the freezer for these specific desserts. So a whole packet goes into the food processor. Still frozen, of course. And the peanut butter, you can use smooth peanut butter or crunchy, depending on what you like. So you want a generous tablespoon of that. And then just for some extra sweetness, I find the bananas are sweet enough, but you just want a little extra maple syrup. Lid on, and I'm going to pulse this together and then blend it until it's quite smooth. It needs to be the consistency of a soft serve ice cream. Oh, that is exactly how it should be. See how it's smooth and silky, but it's still holding its shape just like ice cream. Okay, over here I've just been melting some chocolate so it can come off the heat. You can use some milk chocolate if you like. I'm using dark chocolate because I just love the combination of banana and dark chocolate. I've also got that hot water just from the bain-marie. So what I like to do is take that off the heat and place just an ice cream scoop in there. Just gonna make it much easier to serve our banana ice cream. So shake the excess water off and get a scoop of ice cream and pop that into the glass. Another scoop. And if you're going all out, if you're gonna make this, you might as well have 3 scoops of ice cream. Let's not fool anyone here. There we go, beautiful. Now a few accompaniments to go with it. Some wafers, so we can just add 1 or 2, pop them next to each other. A little dollop of cream. You could use some whipped cream. I've got some dollop cream here, which is just very decadent. And just pop that in on the side. Our chocolate, our melted chocolate, drizzle that over the top. Oh, that's gonna be good. Not done yet. A sprinkle of toasted peanuts and a little cherry on top. Why not? Pop that right there. That is a gorgeous old school dessert. A few ingredients you probably have in your pantry. If you've got some frozen bananas ready to go, you can make this ice cream within moments.